not the sweet one. Guys, today I'm making fish, french fries, and corn on the cob. Let's put the french fries on right quick. It's the fries. Put half of those in here. This is the fish. So I'm gonna put them on here. Let me see the bag. Put what? I said these kind of big peas. I should have left these in there. Oh, you gonna eat all that? Eat all these. Now I got me full. Yeah. This is the sweet corn. Try the sea salt. Coarse sea salt. Coarse sea salt. Coarse sea salt from Dollar Tree. Oh, they don't have the sprinkler. It's so big. Guess they gotta come out. Can't use, I should have got the regular salt. That's too big. That's only good to cook with. Pepper.
Is Sarah eating this bread?
I think so. Louisiana hot sauce. Amen. Now I'm too tired to eat. Look at that. Look good. The fish. The best part, corn. It's not the sweet one. Good, it's not the sweet.
Okay.
Oh, hot. If I can eat fish every day, I would. fish and chicken wing. And corn. Need some salt. Ooh, oh, it's breaking. I should have fried it a little bit longer.
Hmm?
I should have fried it a little longer. Juicy.
I mean, I should have had it creep. I mean, meal.
Yeah, you don't need that much.
Mm-hmm.
I got me some donuts like the biscuit. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I'll probably go to sleep.
If you ain't been to sleep, you is.
Oh, yeah, I went to sleep.
Mm. Yeah. All you gonna get if you go to the restaurant
Yeah.
should be all you should need to eat. But well, you gotta go somewhere tomorrow.
No, I ain't had no day off in a while.
Oh.
No, I just want to give it 2 days off in a row.
Mm-hmm. Put it up, babe.
I am. So good.
Oh boy. I'm stuffed.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.